All right. Hello?
Hello.
All right, perfect. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Very good, thank you so much. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
And you can hear me clearly? You have no problem?
Yes, I can hear you also clearly.
Perfect. So, how have you been since the last lesson?
I'm fine since the last lesson. I did a lot of work. And I also did so many practice.
Did you study English?
Yes, I did.
Oh, very good. What did you study? Did you study the grammar that we did last lesson?
Yes, exactly. The grammar and also the words.
Okay.
I have learned last lesson.
Perfect. And do you have any questions for me?
No, thank you very much. I don't have any questions.
All right, perfect. Well, today's topic is going to be learning English. So I am going to ask you a few questions about learning English, and we will have a free conversation about it. As always, if you make a mistake, I will write in the Word file, and then I will email you. Also, I am going to email these questions to you so you can later study what we did. Are you ready? Do you have any questions?
Yes, I'm ready. Thank you.
Perfect. So my first question is, why are you learning English?
I am learning English for work, actually.
And how do you use English at work? Do you speak with other people in English or do you mostly do readings?
Sometimes I have to speak in English with other people, and but generally I read the materials in English, and also I have to write in English.
Oh, okay. And what typical mistakes do you make? What typical mistakes do you make?
I do grammar mistakes.
You make grammar mistakes.
Yes.
Okay, not I do grammar mistakes, but I make grammar mistakes.
Yes, exactly.
Like this one. So this is a very good example, right? What else?
What else? And pronunciation.
And do you have any problems when you are writing? Do you make spelling mistakes?
Sometimes, yes.
Okay. And how often do you have to speak with people at work?
It
In
depends.
English, of course. Okay. Depends on what?
Depends on if I have to do Skype conversation with another colleague from other countries, then I have to speak in English. It depends on these conditions.
I see. I see. And how often do you have a practice opportunity with other people besides work? Do you have any friends who speak English?
Yes, I have so many friends speak in English.
Who speak in English? I have so many friends who speak in English.
Yeah.
Or who speak English. In here is optional. Speak English. And do you have a chance to speak with them every week?
Not every week, but twice in a month, maybe.
Twice a month.
Yeah.
All right. And what is the most difficult thing about learning English? The most difficult thing about learning English, what is it?
The most difficult thing about learning English is to learn new words that not exactly in my field.
Yes, some vocabulary outside your field of interest. True, it is a bit difficult. But as you know, we can do many exercises to learn new vocabulary or to enhance our knowledge. Okay, do you have any questions for me?
Right now, no, I don't have any questions.
All right, thank you so much. And I will see you in the next lesson.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Take care, bye-bye.